Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Far Cry 2 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your difficulty level while you are playing. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Far Cry 2 on your device and you can continue playing from wherever you last left off. Now, if you wish to change the difficulty level within your game, just pause by pressing the escape button. And now go ahead and click on options. Within the options page, go into game options and now you will see the difficulty level toggle. You can press the arrow at the left or right to select the various difficulty levels. You have the easy mode, the normal, the hardcore and infamous options. Choose your desired level and then press the apply button, and then you can go back and continue to play your game with your chosen difficulty. And you can switch this at any point of time in the future by once again going back to the game options and then choosing your difficulty level. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your difficulty level on the Far Cry 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.